Good afternoon. This is the market update for Thursday, July 25th. Pretty much another chop fest in the market today. Really, for the last week, it's been back and forth, which has been really great for small cap stocks because when the large caps, pause, we see that money move into the smaller cap stocks and essentially becomes a stock picking market, which is where we excel. And you can see right now, we had an early dip and then we recovered late in the day. If we look at the 15-minute chart, you get a better idea. It's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. So one of two things are going to happen. We're either going to break out to new highs within the next couple of days, probably next week if that was to happen, or we could see a pullback to the 15, 200, 300 area. Dow transports have been rather weak over the last 3 days, but you can see on the candle that we had set up today, possible bottoming action and bounce off the 50-day moving average. And to back up the possibility that this is a bounce point on the Dow trannies, the Russell, the small cap stocks, which have essentially followed each other, both the trannies and the Russell have followed each other all year. Nice bounce back move on the small caps on the Russell index today and looking to break out through that previous high. It essentially almost recovered the last 2 days' losses in one session today. So pretty nice action in the small caps. But anyway, let's jump into some fat little winners. ETRM, we sent out the alert a couple of days ago at $1.05 regarding the FDA filing acceptance within 30 days that we would expect it this week, the 25th being the 30 days. And lo and behold, after hours, the news came out, FDA accepted their filing. Stock traded as high as $1.34, hitting all our targets. So as a result, consider booking at least three-quarter gains on this pop. This is another 25% winner for us, and that is our ideal target on movers is a 25% gain, and you can leave a little bit in case the chasers who didn't want it the last 2 days decide, hey, I'm going to buy it 25% up on the news, on the research that Buy, Sell, Short put out a couple of days ago. Let me chase the actual news, not buy it way down low. Whereas we'll be selling to them, and that is the way it should be. So nice little mover. Stops right now, I would trail my stops to 112 to 115 on the remaining positions, guaranteeing a winner on this one. Very nice. Another one of our swing plays, ISR, out of the gate today. Big volume early. Well, big volume relative to the average volume we typically see on this stock. Typically, it's been trading about 80,000 shares a day, and within the first 15-20 minutes, 100,000 shares in volume. Traded right up to that first target zone, the 60-cent area, which is the 200-day moving average. The next breakout really is going to be this 63-cent area. We'll find out tomorrow if this is the real deal on the move or if it's going to pull back and give us another add point down under the 50-day moving average or 55 cents and under. But nice little volume follow through today. Would be watching this one closely for a potential break tomorrow of 63 cents. Some of our big movers over the last few days, not a surprise, down on much lower volume. DCTH after that early week pop to 45 cents. Down on much lower volume over the last 2 days. Did about 8 million shares on the upside and has come back down on less than 2 million shares. Classic accumulation. Added some more shares today at 39 cents. So swing play. Target on this baby is 60 cents. So looking to accumulate it. And the one we are accumulating is Mad Cats. And actually, let me fill this chart up a little. Mad Cats actually had someone selling this morning at 49 cents. Why? It was 60 cents 2 days ago. Let me sell the support level at, the 200-day moving average at 49 cents. Ended up bouncing right back. Kind of a bullcrap close at 51 cents. Real close should have been 53 cents. But if you'll notice, and let me jump charts here real quick. Glue, big volume spike on this one today. Big move up, and a lot of chatter on this one. A Seeking Alpha, someone who writes articles on Seeking Alpha and gets a lot of follow through. This is picked as its next stock to run big, and as such, the traders were rushing in. Well, the email that they are sending out on Glue also mentions one of our stocks, MCZ. Ooh, lo and behold, and the argument behind stocks like Zynga and Glue doing very well is the Android gaming consoles. Guess who that is? Mad Catz. Very, very nice. As I said, disruptive technology, going to be a very, very big year for Mad Catz. And actually, let's jump back to the Glue chart. Glue, very nice break of that 286 high. Dipped back on the close. It's actually dipped a little bit on after hours on Zynga's earnings report. Zynga actually beat, but the reason the stock is down big is they said that they're pulling out of the gambling market. They're not going to apply for a license in the U.S. That is actually a positive for Glue Mobile, and hopefully we will see people come to their senses and start to buy Glue Mobile tomorrow. Target on this one, 320 plus. Support, 264, 200-day moving average. I like the chart breakout here. These kind of chart breaks have been doing very, very well in this market of late, so started picking up some shares on this one today. Another little gamer to keep an eye on as well is Cool, C-O-O-L, 66-cent break. 200-day moving average, 75 cents is the target here. What else am I going to mention? HTM. Let's look at HTM. HTM, nice little move recently. Got a big break a couple of days ago, but it trades on Scamax. Beaten down today. Another one like Mad Catz that got a typical Scamax close, but insiders picked up 670,000 shares yesterday at 46 cents. There were 5 insider transactions for 100 to 130,000 shares each. Earnings in 3 weeks. Insiders are loading up. They are profitable. They said they would be profitable. Look what Zone has done over the last couple of weeks since our trading alert. If I could type the symbol in there correctly, ZHNE. We were buyers here ahead of earnings. Stock, what, tripled? Hello, HTM, same situation. Profitable. Let's see what we can get out of this one over the next couple of days. Last but not least, INUV. New trading alert, new swing play. This is a mobile ad company. Breakout today at 95 cents. Again, same sort of nonsense. You can see pretty big volume over the last couple of days. Facebook up massively today on their mobile ad growth. These guys, as I mentioned in the email that went out, they posted a $200,000 loss for the most recent quarter on, over the last year, sales are up 80%. They also mentioned that they have reduced their monthly expenditures by $100,000 a month. So that's $300K a quarter. With a $200K loss in the last quarter, if we assume they had no revenue growth, we should assume a surprise EPS could be forthcoming in the earnings report in a week and a half. They will start to chase this stock on a break of 1, just like they did on ZHNE. Nice volume has started to come into this one over the last couple of days. I really like the setup. I think we can get 110 to 125 on this one over the next few days. Very, very nice setup on this one. So that's it for the video tonight. If you've got any questions, shoot me an email, feedback, buysellshort.com. But we've got some nice little movers. And the reason they are pushing Glue, Mad Catz was also mentioned in that email, could get a very nice bounce on this one tomorrow. We're about to get a golden cross on Mad Catz as well. Bounced off the 200-day moving average. And typically what we see happen is a stock run up, retrace back to support, put this kind of candle in, and then make a rip to new highs. So let's see what the next couple of days bring on MCZ. Have a great night. See you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Bye.